Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and yes, I was a victim of the super thin eyebrow trend of the early 2000s. But thankfully, I have completely recovered from that era, thanks in part to this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil. This pencil is retractable, which I find really convenient, and I also think that the amount of pencil and the thickness of it is perfect. It's not too thick and it's not too thin so that it'll be breaking off. I have a couple sparse areas in my brows and a couple of places where I just want to shape and define them a little more, and this pencil is just great for that. I have it in the color taupe, and personally, for me, this color is the most natural eyebrow pencil I have ever tried. It blends in so naturally with my eyebrow color. And then afterwards, I like to use the other end of the pencil, which contains a spoolie brush. I like to brush my eyebrows upwards to give myself a really natural, fuller, kind of fluffy look. For me, using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil has been the quickest, simplest, most natural way to define my brows. And that's my point of view.